So guys, I forgot to tell you good night yesterday, but anyways, good morning. And now we are going to some of the unknown temples. Yeah. So I'll tell you what is it called. So the theme is called Dwadasha Jyotirling Temple. So yeah, there are many all over Varanasi, but we can't visit all of them. But we'll visit the main ones. Yeah. So guys, finally we are in the Trambakeshwar Mahadev Mandir. It was very unexpected. We were thinking it's a big temple, but it's just this much.
It's okay if you don't get it, no problem.
So, yeah, this is the one. So, we have arrived at Jayeshwar Mandir, and this is the temple. Nandi over here, a bell. And this is basically the Shiva. So now finally out of the gullies and now finally in the main road. So now our work is to have breakfast and go to the room and rest for some time and again go exploring. So this is the most famous thing of Varanasi. Yeah, there is Litti Choka, Batti Choka, etc. But this is the most famous kachori. So there are two types of kachori, choti and badi kachori. This is choti kachori, which will be served in matka. So this is the one. So guys, now we are finally at the room and I ate the badi kachori. So I showed you the choti kachori, badi kachori I couldn't show you, but I can put on some images and the video of making. Okay, because I didn't capture it on my camera. My mom captured it, so I'll put on some. And it's just 15 rupees. You'll get this big kachori and with many masalas and stuff. So it was very heavy and it was very good. I mean, it was good. I expected it was good because it is a staple street food of Varanasi, kachori, litti choka, bati choka, etc. So it was very good and many people were there. So I knew that it would be very famous and it would be delicious. And it was, yeah. So after some time we are gonna go to some temples again, and we are going to the Ganga, I guess. I'm not sure, but I think we'll go to the Ganga. And yeah, so for now I'm resting. I need to attend my classes. Yeah, so yeah, bye. Now we are on a cycle rickshaw and we are on the way to the Manikarnika Ghat to take a dip. And they say that if we take a dip at 12 o'clock in the noon, it is very auspicious. I don't know the reason, and if I tell the reason also, you guys will get bored. So we are just on the way, and this guy is very hardworking guy. Yeah. are at the Manikarnika Dwar. So there are gullies leading here. So if we go on one gully, we will find the ghat, the main river. So the Manikarnika Ghat is famous for their bodies, burning the bodies. So this is the Tharkeshwar Mahadev Mandir. This is in Manikarnika Ghat. So this is the place where we are going to take a dip, and we found a place where people are not burning the bodies. So this is cleaner compared to the others, but it's not as clean as the Hanuman Ghat. So yeah, we can take a dip here. So this is the Leaning Tower of India, which will come, and I don't know why, but this is a fact that this leans more than the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So the Leaning Tower of Pisa only leans 4 degrees and this leans 9 degrees. You can't see it in the camera, I think, but it does. Oh my god. So this is Ratneshwar Mandir. So here we are at this temple idol's house and everything related to Shivling and etc. So in these kind of things, I'm keen about I really like the bells, yeah. So I like to try different kinds of bells, different sizes and etc. So different sizes and different types. So I chose this. So this is a 2-in-1 bell and it's really good. It's 850 rupees. It's a 2-in-1 bell. It sounds good too. Let me hear you. Let me make you hear. So basically the darshan of the Kashi Vishwanath temple has finished, and the Annapurna temple also. So the camera is not allowed, of course. I'm at the outskirts of the Kashi Vishwanath temple, the place where there are a lot of shops. So here the cameras are allowed, so I'm able to shoot. And yeah, I showed you, right? This is the place where we get the temple idols and stuff like that. Finally, our shopping is done after 1 hour. Now we are going to eat some street food and then going to the room. Yeah. So guys, now we are finally in our room. And as you can see, I'm sweating. So I ate Golgappa here. And we are gonna end the day now. Everything is visited. It's 6:42. Okay, so everything is visited right now. And now we are just going to end the day. Yeah. Good night. So guys, good morning. Now it's 2 o'clock in the morning and we need to go to Kashi Vishwanath temple, and then I guess we are going to Assi Ghat. Yeah, after the darshan there is an aarti which I have booked. So yeah. And of course the camera is not allowed, so I can't even take my camera in my mobile. So guys, now the Kashi Vishwanath, the darshan is complete right now, and now we are going to Assi Ghat after around 30 minutes to see the sunrise. So the sunrise is very good in the Assi Ghat, it seems. So I'll show you a time lapse of the sunrise, and after 30 minutes we are going to Assi Ghat. Yeah, bye. So now it's about 4:40 early morning. So as you can see, it's so lightened. So guys, we are finally at the Assi Ghat. This is the only ghat in which the morning Aarti of the Ganga happens. Here the preparation of the Ganga Aarti is being done, which will be at 5:30. So here the stages are being done where they do the puja. Road, and we are going to have breakfast right now, and we are gonna rest in a room. Yeah. So guys, now I am copying some movies and some things to watch because we have nothing to do right now. We have visited all the temples and all the places. Yeah. So just 1 sec, okay? Neene call ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
So yeah, I'm downloading some movies, and yeah, so we need to spend time right now. So guys, now I had Maggie for dinner and we are going to sleep now, and I'll meet you tomorrow. Yeah, good night, bye.